Hello friends, if you want to crack your accounts exams, so let's do the smart way. Let's understand very important and very easy questions which are sure to come for your examination, whether it is supplementary or for your coming annual exam or midterm. It is going to be really helpful for you. Okay, so let's get started. By this easily you are going to get 6 marks. Okay, so today we are going to discuss 6 marks. By that easily you can score 24. Okay, so let's do the smart work and let's go through and crack this accounts exam in a very easy manner. So X and Y commence partnership business on 1/4/2019, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 ratio with capital of 1,80,000 respectively. They earned profit of rupees 25,000 for the year before allowing interest on capital at 10%, interest on drawing which is X 1000 and Y 800, commission payable 2,000 and salary payable to Y rupees 3,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending of 31st of March 2020. Okay, so first of all you should know the format. So here I am going to give the format. See, so for example you have to see as per the perspective of the firm. For the firm, interest on drawing is a income. Okay, interest on drawing is a income, so it will come on the credit side. And similarly, interest on capital is a expenditure for the firm, so it will come on the debit side. Salary is also a expenditure for the firm, so it will also appear in the debit side. Commission is also, we are going to deal with the same way. So the thing which is the income, that only will come on the credit side. So profit and interest on drawing will come on the credit side. Rest, salary, commission, interest on capital will come on the debit side. So as per the format, let's start solving the problem. Okay, so first of all you have to make the column like this. Okay, so first of all we'll write by balance brought down here, by balance brought down, which is profit. You need to write it here, which is the how much is the profit? It is 25,000. Okay, now we have written the profit. After writing down the profit, we have to calculate interest on capital. As I said, interest on capital is the expenditure to the firm. It will come on the debit side. Interest on capital, which is 10%. 10% on X and Y. So what is the capital of X, which is 1 lakh? 1 lakh into 10%, and Y 80,000 into 10%. 1 lakh 10% is 10,000. 80,000 10% is 8,000. So overall interest on capital is 18,000. We have written that now. Interest on drawing is already given. So here we are going to write by interest on drawing. X is 1000. Y is 800. So 1,800 is the interest on drawing. After this, commission payable to X, to commission payable to X, which is 2,000, as it is we are going to write. Salary to Y, which is 3,000. Okay. Now we need to prepare the profit and loss. 25,000 plus 1,800, 26,800. Okay, first you need to check, this is 18, 20, 23,000, here 26,000. Okay, so here is the higher amount. So as it is, we are going to write down the higher amount here. And then how much? 23,000 minus 26,000, so the remaining is 3,800, which is to balance carried down. And this 3,800 we have to divide and give to X and Y in their ratio. 3,800 into the ratio is 3:2. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Okay. So their answer is 2280 and 1520 will be the profit which has to be divided and give to the respective partners. So by doing this sum, surely you want to get 6 marks without fail. The procedure, the method is always same. Okay, so easily you can get 6 marks, and this is the sum number 1 which we have done. Let's move on to the problem number 2. So this is the second question. Here, Yashasvi, Tapasvi are partner in a firm. During the year ended on 31st of March 2020, Yashasvi makes the drawing as under. So she makes the drawing on these particular dates. Okay, so on August she has withdrawn 5,000, on October she has withdrawn 8,000, on December she has withdrawn 10,000, and in the end of March she has withdrawn 15,000. So here the partnership deed provided the partner are to be charged interest on drawing, which is 12% per annum. Calculate the interest chargeable to Yashasvi's drawing by using product method. Okay, so let's calculate the interest to be charged to Yashasvi. To continue this sum, we are going to make the column. First, as it is the question, we are going to write the date of drawings. Okay, and as it is, we are going to write the amount also in the next column. Now here we are going to calculate how many months. Okay, and here by multiplying this both, we are going to calculate total product. Okay, so let's write down the questions as it is. We have written the dates as it is. Now we are going to write the amounts. Now we need to calculate how many months. So this is first. In here you should be very careful with the date. If it is 1st of August, then you should add August also. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Why? Because the accounting year ends in the March. So here we have 8 months. So as it is, we'll write down 8 months. Here it is 31st of October. It means October we should leave. November, December, January, February, March. So it is 5 months. And again here it is 31st of December. Then December also we should leave. January, February, March. And this is the end of the accounting year, which is 31st of March 2020, which means 0. Okay. So 5 8s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 10 3s are 30. 15 zeros are 0. Now we are going to make the total of this, which is 44 plus 40, 80, 90, 1 lakh and 1 lakh 10,000. So 1 lakh 10,000 is the total product. Now we need to apply a formula, which is interest on drawing calculate under product method is equals to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 2. Well, okay. So what is total product? 1 lakh 10,000 is the total product. What is the rate? Rate is given as 12%, 12 by 100, okay, into 1 by 12. By this we get the answer 12 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, 1100 is the answer. You can use easily calculator also. First you can do this. Second step you can do with this. Let's move on to the third problem now, which is yet another very easy 6 marks, where easily you're going to score 6 marks without much of stress, without much of headache. So let's get started. The question is, Ankit, Suchit, Chandru are partner in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:2. Ankit retires from the firm. Suchit and Chandru agreed to share in the ratio of 5:3 in future. We need to calculate the gain ratio of Suchit and Chandru. So how you are going to write? First of all, who are the partners? Ankit, Suchit and Chandru. They are the partners. They are sharing the 4:9, 3:9 and 2:9 is their old profit sharing ratio. Now who retires? Ankit retires. Ankit retires. Now new profit sharing ratio of Suchit and Chandru is 5/8 and 3/8. Okay, because Ankit is retired. Now gain ratio formula is equals to old ratio minus new ratio, or new ratio minus old ratio. So now we are going to calculate Suchit's, which is 3/9 old ratio minus 5/8 new ratio is equals to what? And Chandru is equals to 2/9 minus 3/8 is equals to, here we are going to adapt butterfly method. 9 5s are, 8 3s are and 9 8s are. Okay, 9 3s are, 8 2s are and 9 8s are. So 9 8s are, 8 8s are 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 72 is the answer. Okay, 72. Same here also we'll write off 72. 9 5s are 45, 8 3s are 32, 8 3s are 24. Okay, by this we get 121 by 72. 9 3s are 27 and 8 2s are 16 is equals to 11 by 72. So the answer is 21:11 is their gaining ratio. Now let's discuss the problem number 4, which is executor's account. Ramesh, Prakash and Suresh were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st of March 2020, the balance sheet was as under. So here we have got the balance sheet, and here these all are not so important, but the thing what you need to keep in mind, whether it is their reserve fund, whether it is their profit and loss account here, okay, fund. So profit and loss reserve, something which is reserve is very important apart from the capitals. Okay. Now Ramesh died on 30th of September 2020. It was agreed between his executors and the surviving partners that goodwill will be valued at 2.5 years of purchase of the average profit of the previous 4 years, which were 12, 20, 13 and 15. Now we have to share in the profit from the date of last balance sheet till to the date of death to be calculated on the basis of last year profit. Interest on capital is to be allowed by 12% per annum. Okay, so here you have to go through with the executor's account. As I told to you, while preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, we gone through with the perspective of the firm. Now here we are going to go through with the perspective of the executor account. The person who died, the partner who died and the legal representatives are called as the executors. Okay, so on the perspective of the executor account, what and all the things will come on the debit side and what and all the things will come on the credit side. It is completely the opposite of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, So here drawing will come on the debit side. Okay, why? Because already the partner has taken the money, so no more we are going to pay that drawing money back. So it will come on the debit side. The rest, interest on capital, interest, salary, commission, everything will come on the credit side. Even the goodwill of the partner, the remaining partner will share the goodwill and give off to the executor's account. Okay, so goodwill reserve fund will be given to the executor's partner. So everything will come on the credit side, only the drawings will come on the debit side. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's do this sum, executor's account. Okay, so now first of all what we are going to do here, who has died we need to check. Ramesh has died with his capital 30,000. That we are going to write here. By balance brought down 30,000. Okay, after this you need to check if there is reserve fund. Yes, there is reserve fund. By reserve fund, what is his profit sharing ratio? It's 5:3:2, and the reserve fund is 6,000. So 6,000 into 5/10. Okay, so his share is going to be 3,000. Yes, his share is going to be 3,000, that we have written. Now again what we need to check here is that goodwill has to be valued, so 2.5 years of purchase of the average profit, which is here given already. Okay, as per AS 26, the goodwill will be given by the rest of the two partners. Okay, and so that how, and interest on capital to be allowed is 12%. Okay, interest on capital, interest on capital 30,000 into 12%. So 30,000 into 12% is 3,600. But he died on 30th of September 2020. So 30th means April, May, June, July, August and September. It means 6 months. So 3,600 into 6/12. So we are going to write 1,800. Now we need to calculate goodwill. And goodwill we need to calculate from the average profit. Average profit of 5 years. Okay, of 5 years we need to calculate. So first, to find out goodwill, the procedure is first we need to calculate average profit. Okay, so average profit, what it is given, first year profit is 12,000, second year profit is 20,000 plus 20,000, 13,000 and 15,000. Okay, this is the 4-year profit divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20, 35, 40, 50, 55. 55,000 divided by 4 is equals to our average profit. Sorry, this is overall 60,000. Why? Because 10, 30, 40, 50, 55 and 3 plus 2, 60. 60 divided by 4 is our average profit, which is 15,000. Now, goodwill calculate. To calculate goodwill, the formula is average profit into year of purchase. So, year of purchase is 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Average profit is 15,000. Here it is already given. That is why we are calculating 2.5. Goodwill to be valued at 2.5 year purchase. Okay. By this, our answer will be 37,500 is the goodwill. Now 37,500 is the goodwill. In that we need to take the share of this fellow, which is 5 divided by 10, which is 18,750. Now 18,750 has to be given by the remaining two partners. So what is the ratio? 5:3:2 is the old ratio. Now he is died. Then the remaining share is 3:2. This is the new ratio, which is 3/5 and 2/5. Okay, so this amount has to be given by the remaining partner in the ratio of 3/5 and 2/5. By that, the answer will be 11,250 and 7,250. Okay, so here by goodwill of the partner Prakash and Suresh, 11,250 and 7,250. Overall 18,750. And by suspense profit, by profit of this year, which is from the suspense account, what is the immediate last year salary, which is 15,000. So 15,000 into his share 5/10 into 6/12. Okay. By that his share is 3,750. Overall we need to calculate now 33,000, 34,000, 35,000, 37,000. Goodwill is like overall we are going to get the total of 57,300. So this money has to be balance carried down. Same 57,300 and we need to tally 57,300. This is to executor's account. I hope you are able to understand. So by doing this easily you can get 6 marks. And do stay tuned. I'm going to upload more videos so that it is going to be very beneficial for your tomorrow's exam. It's like a last minute revision. By that easily it will boost your confidence to give your exam in a more confident manner. Okay, thank you for watching.